Welcome to a short tutorial on how to schedule a known patient in iQ-WORKFLOW. As front desk staff, I want to schedule a known patient so that I connect previous patient and study data to the new request. For doing this task, I will go to Schedule tab. Create new order with +New button. Type patient name in search field and press magnifying glass. Select Patient and go to Procedures tab. Select AET. Procedure code and find time range. Then press Save button. Now new order is shown in Orders table and in Calendar. Select Calendar entry and move to different time. A confirmation message is displayed. After clicking Confirm, the change is stored. Thank you for your attention.